How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To chicken out. Lisa and Steve are waiting in line for a roller coaster. Steve seems nervous about the ride. You look a bit nervous, Steve. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of roller coasters. They kind of scare me. Don't worry, this one is really fun. Just trust me. Well, I'll try, but I don't really know. Roller coasters are fast and seem dangerous. I could fly off. Don't chicken out. We're in this together. You'll have a great time. I promise. Maybe you're right. By the way, where's the exit? Quiz time. What does chicken out mean? To eat chicken? To act like a bird? To go on roller coasters? To leave a situation because of fear? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To leave a situation because of fear. Phrasal verb secrets. Chicken in this phrasal verb means someone who is scared and doesn't have courage. If someone is a chicken, they're afraid. To chicken out means that you are a chicken in that situation, so you don't want to do it because you're afraid. Out in this phrasal verb tells us that we are not in the situation, acting as the opposite of other verbs like join in or participate in. Phrasal verb extras. Chicken out can be used in various situations, such as avoiding a dare, refusing to try something new or scary, or avoiding a confrontation. It often implies a lack of courage or bravery in facing the situation. It can be a playful verb between friends, but it can also be rude or offensive, especially to call someone a chicken. Examples. She was going to try skateboarding, but she chickened out at the last moment. I wanted to confront my boss about the issue, but I chickened out. He was supposed to give a speech, but he chickened out and asked someone else to do it. I almost chickened out of the job interview, but my friend convinced me to do it. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.